What's up, everybody? It's Brian and Lon here, Mid-State Mitsubishi at 810 Washington Street, Route 20 in Auburn. That phone number is 508-832-8886. Our website is midstatemitsu.com, and I got Brian Lyons pick of the day. This is a 2019 Toyota RAV4 Limited, folks. It's got the nice wheel package, fog lights, all the safety features you could ask for, the blind spot monitor, the forward collision, lane departure warning. Look inside this vehicle. What a beautiful vehicle inside and out, folks. Got the two-tone leather interior, heated seats, heated steering wheel, JBL stereo. We got the sky slider up top. This thing's mid, folks, and all you gotta do to get in this car today is pick up that phone and give me a call at 508-832-8886. Or stop on by to midstatemitsu.com. Midstatemitsu.com is our website. Stop by on Mid-State Mitsu here at 810 Washington Street, Route 20 in Auburn. Don't mind me, my mind's all over the place because I'm so excited about this car. So stop on by and you'll see why I am today at 810 Washington Street, Route 20 in Auburn.